Hello busy people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you some cool and interesting websites which you wish you know earlier. Let's get started. Web archiving is the process of collecting information for future use. We can also find some archived versions of websites from years ago. Here we can find some other good stuff like books, video, audio, software, images, etc. These are some topmost archived websites from American libraries, Canadian libraries, University of Toronto, like this. Let's open book section and open library. In this open library, some art related, science fiction related, biographies related and so on stuff available. Read it means we can read it at free of cost, and we need to log in for the books which have borrow option. A small request for you. If you have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and press this bell icon to receive all the notifications, and also like this video. Thank you. And the top 4 is Autodraw. It is a contemporary drawing tool, like it will suggest some relatable drawing icons to our rough and horrible sketches. Here I am going to draw a tree. You can see how it will suggest. Some options came relatable to my drawing. I will select this tree. To make it color, you first select the fill option, then choose the color you like. Now I will draw a house. So we can download this drawing page, and we can also change the page sizes. The third website is Local Lingual. In this website we can hear the voices of people from all over the world, and I'm from India, so I will listen the voices from India. Here we can listen Hindi, English, Bengali, Telugu and many more regional languages. Let's check West Bengal. We can record a voice for this region or can listen to voices from this region.
একটা বই আর দুটো খাতা শূন্য স্থান পূরণ করো.
So this is how we can listen the different languages from all over the world. And the second website is Noisely. This website will help you to focus by generating some noise for you while studying or working or whatever. As you can see, we are unable to use this fire icon or coffee icon, and also this productivity, relax, sleep. To use this, we need to sign up for free. I do not want to share my email ID for these kind of websites, either of spam messages or security purposes or privacy. Now I will show you an amazing website. I hope that will help you a lot. That is 10 Minute Mail. This website will provide you a temporary email ID which is valid for 10 minutes. Sometimes when we search some websites, those ask for sign up, but we don't want to give our email ID. At that moment, this website will be really helpful for us. Copy this email ID and paste it here. Set a password of your interest. Keep it in mind. Click on Agree to the terms and privacy. Now sign up. Verification mail is sent to the given mail ID, so we will check the 10-minute mail website. So here it is. Click on Confirm. Now it's verified. Now we will log in with the mail ID and password we have given. Now we are able to access some more things. We can also set the timer of our interest. So coming to this 10-minute mail website, we can get 10 more minutes if we want by clicking here. If you like this video, then comment below so that I will make another video on this topic.